Let's talk about one simple money rule that could literally change your entire financial future.
Does it ever feel like your money just poof, vanishes before you can even save any of it? Well, that's because if you plan to save what's left, there's usually nothing left.
But don't worry, there's a super simple mental trick to fix this. It's a total game changer.
And it's this phrase right here, pay yourself first. Sounds simple, right? It's golden.
So instead of saving the leftovers, you just flip the script. It's a huge mindset shift. It just means the second you get paid, a piece of that goes straight to savings.
So how does this actually work in real life? Let me show you. It's so easy.
Okay, let's say your paycheck is 500 bucks. Boom, it just landed in your account. Now before you touch anything else, you move, say, 50 bucks straight to your savings. And just like that, this is your new budget. Your brain just adjusts to what's there.
You see, it's a clever psychological trick. That 50 bucks is safe, not spent on random stuff.
And the benefits are awesome. Your savings grow on autopilot, and you cut out mindless spending.
You're basically creating a new reality where saving happens first without you even really trying.
So if you remember one thing, make it this. This quote says it all.
So here's a challenge for you. Just try it for 1 month and see what happens. Ready?